Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today vlog is very special for all those people who understand English but cannot speak fluency. In this vlog, we will talk about how to think and speak in English and how to talk about your daily life in English. If you practice the tips shared in this video, you will slowly start speaking English naturally and confidently. Many English learners face one common problem. They first think in their mother tongue and then translate into English. Because of this, speaking becomes slow and confusing. The real secret of fluent English is thinking in English. When you start thinking in English, speaking becomes easy, fast and natural. First of all, let us understand why thinking in English is important. When you think in our mother tongue and translate, your brain does not double work. That creates hesitation and fear. But when you think directly in English, sentences come automatically. That is why all fluent speakers think in English, not in their native language. Now let us start with the first step. Start with small thought. You don't need to think big or difficult sentence. Start with very small and simple sentences related to your daily life. For example, when you wake up, think I am awake now. When you get out of bed, think I am getting up. When you brush your teeth, think I am brushing my teeth. This simple habit train your brain to think in English. The second step is describe your daily routine in English. Whatever you do from morning to night, try to describe it in English in your mind or aloud. For example, I am taking a bath. I am wearing my clothes. I am having breakfast. I am going to work. These daily life sentences are repeated every day, so they become easy and automatic. The third step is self talk in English. Self talk means talking to yourself. This is one of the most powerful method to improve speaking. Talk to yourself about your day, your plans, your problems or your feelings. For example, today I am feeling tired. I have a lot of work today. I want to improve my English. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about mistake. The fourth step is talk about your work or studies in English. If you are a student, think and speak about your classes, subjects and homework in English. For example, today I have an English classes. I need to complete my assessment. If you are working, talk about your job. For example, I work in a company. Today I have a meeting. My work is going well. This makes English useful in real life. The fifth step is use present tense for daily life. Most daily activities are in present tenses. Learn and practice present simple and present continuous tense. For example, I wake up at 6. I go to work at 9. I am working now. When you use correct tense, your confidence increase. The sixth step is mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your daily life in English. Look at yourself and speak for 5 to 10 minutes. For example, my name is Anup. I live in a village. I am learning English. Mirror practice remove hesitation and improve confidence and body language. The seventh step is think in English. While walking or resting, you don't need a special time. When you are walking, think I am walking slowly. When you are sitting, think I am taking rest. When you are hungry, think I am hungry. These small thoughts make English a part of your life. The eighth step is learn daily use vocabulary. To talk about daily life, you need daily use words like wake up, sleep, eat, drink, work, rest, tried, happy, busy, free. Learn a few words daily and use them again and again in the speaking. Repetition make word permanent. And ninth step is don't focus too much on grammar. Grammar is important, but overthinking grammar stop speaking. First focus on speaking. Even if grammar is not perfect, speak slowly. Grammar will improve automatically with practice. The 10th step is record your voice. Record yourself talking about your daily routine in English for 2 or 3 minutes. Then listen to it. You will notice where you stop, where you feel confused, and where you make mistakes. This awareness help you improve faster. The 11th step is listen to daily life English. Watch simple English videos where people talk about routine life. Listen to how they describe small activities. Try to copy their sentences and style. Listen, improve thinking and speaking together. The 12th step is practice daily, not sometime. Thinking and speaking in English is a habit. Habits are built by daily practice. Even 10 minutes every day is enough. If you do it honestly, don't practice once a week and expect fluency. The 13th step is stop translating in your head. When a Hindi sentences come to your mind, don't translate it word by word. Try to express the idea in simple English. For example, instead of translating आज मौसम अच्छा है, just think the weather is good today. Another important point is be patient with yourself. In the beginning, your English will be slow. You may forget word. This is normal. Don't get disappointed. Every day you practice, you are improving. Even if you don't feel it immediately, always remember this line: you don't need perfect English, you need practice English. Fluency comes from use, not from thinking. Before ending this blog, I want to motivate you. English is not difficult. We make it difficult by fear and overthinking. If you start thinking in English and talk about your daily life in English every day, you will see a big chance in a few months. Thank you so much for watching this blog. Keep thinking in English, keep speaking in English, and remember, practice daily and fluency will flow. So thank you, goodbye, and take care.